Hello, in this short video I'll show you how you can install Google Analytics on your website along with a consent banner and records of consent module. First, let's click Google Analytics and save changes. Now in the left menu, choose Google Analytics. And here in the first field, you need to provide the GTag ID from your Google Analytics account. If you don't know where it is, simply click this link and follow the instructions that you'll see there. Now, I already have my GTag ID, so I can paste it here and save changes. And from now on, Google Analytics is installed, but it does not, or at least not yet, work according to privacy regulations because we need to have our consent banner that will load Google Analytics according to a visitor's choices. So let's do just that. Let's go to modules and click consent banner and save changes. And surprise, surprise, this is it. You don't need to scan your website for cookies. You don't need any extra setup. It just works. So let me just show you. This is my test website, like the front end of the test website. And now I'll refresh the page and we'll see that our consent banner is already here. And the next step is to start storing consents that users give in that banner. So let's click records of consent and save changes. Now in the records of consent module, you'll have two options. You'll have an option to store them in the cloud or on your email account. For the purpose of this video, I simply click on my email account. Now I will refresh the page and now I'll click agree. Now let's go back and click view records. So this is everything you need to do to install Google Analytics and have it work or track your visitors according to privacy regulations. Thank you.